In this video, we'll show you how to manage your subscription, upload a logo, and update your header and footer information for printouts. The logo is going to show up on your main homepage as well as a number of printouts and your client portal. To do all this, go over to the admin menu in the upper right and click on Manage Account. Here you can see all the information you put when you signed up for DesignerLogic. Click on the Choose File button to upload your JPEG or PNG file of your logo. And then down here you can also update other information. You can choose whether to use approvers for items if for ordering, that's for large firms mostly, as well as you can choose to use job numbers for QuickBooks exports. We have another video for this as well. Down here in the footer section, you can put whatever information for your business you want to show up on the footer of proposals, invoices, and purchase orders. Once you do that, you can highlight it and you can use these buttons to locate it in the different parts of the footer. And then down here we have the information for your subscription and the plan type right here. This dictates how many users you can have sign in at any given time, and you can't have any more users than your plan allows. So you want to make sure you have enough users available in your plan for the staff that you have in your company. When you want to end a subscription, just check End Subscription. And any of these changes above, click Update, and that will save the changes. And everything will be updated across your account once you log out and then log back in. That way you'll see all the changes that you made right here.